Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error on iPhone in iOS 17. So let's start the video. So guys, before starting the video, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, then at the end like the video. Now let's start the video. First of all, make sure that your iPhone is connected to your internet and its speed is perfect and working well. Now go to the settings page. Under the settings page, scroll down to find Safari and tap it. Under the Safari page, scroll down to find clear history and website data and tap it. Select all history and tap on clear history written in red color below. So guys, doing so will delete all your Safari browser history and clean up your Safari browser completely. Now go back to settings menu and tap on general. Scroll down and tap on shutdown and restart your phone once.